Hi, so in this video we are going to talk about Armstrong numbers inside Python. So how you can check if a number is Armstrong or not. But before starting the video, we have to know the concept about Armstrong number. So suppose I am taking 153. Remember the number 153. So I am raising the power of 1 to the power 3 plus 5 raised to the power 3 plus 3 raised to the power 3. Then you can see I'm getting this number, that is 153. Alright, so this is the concept of Armstrong number. So based on this concept we are going to produce a program. So I'm using decoder application. I'm using this decoder application on my Android smartphone. You can also do it. These kind of videos are especially for those who don't have computers. I know plenty of people out there, Indian viewers watching, they don't have computer system at their home. So coming back to the topic, so I'm taking three numbers. So let's say num1 equals int input quotation enter first. So this will take the first number. Now second line, num2 equals int input. So if you also want to see some programming languages related to our programming language, then do not forget to comment about it. If you guys want any kind of tutorials on our programming language, then I would love to bring that as well. That is also a trending programming language. So num2, then num3 is equal to same int input, and do not skip the video, otherwise you won't be able to learn anything. Int input enter third. So this will take the third number. All right, now it's very simple. So result, I'm creating a variable called result, which is equal to num1 raised to the power 3 plus num2 raised to the power 3 plus num3 raised to the power 3. Alright, then print result. So let's check it out. So let's skip the add. Now let's check it. So the first number, let's say 1, enter. Second number, let's say 5. Third number, let's say 3. If it gives me 153, like you can see over here, it has given me 153. That means my programming is successful. This is a Armstrong number. So if you want a detailed tutorial video on this, please let me know in the comments, and do not forget to leave a like on this video. Your one like and your one subscription is a huge benefit and a motivation for us to make more and more videos for you. Thank you.